Okay, now with the parent function of square roots, we are doing radical function transformation formation. We're gonna deal with it today. So do you remember transformation all the time? When you deal with square, this is the inside of the parenthesis under the square. That's inside, which is sub horizontal x value, and then outside here or plus minus there, this outside, which is vertical y value changing. Do you remember? Inside, outside. I dealt with that way. Same. Square root, anything inside of square root, we call it inside, then that's x value, which is horizontal shift and transformation there. And outside, that's vertical. Okay? Now, so let's deal with it. First, this 2 is outside or inside? Outside. So outside, right? Outside is times 2, right? Because nothing means times 2 times 2. Outside times 2 means what? Outside is vertical, right? Vertical times 2 means by 2, which means by 2 become larger. So we call it stretch, right? Vertical stretch by 2, by a factor of 2, right? And then that's 1 inside, outside, but 3 is outside, right? Oh, 3 is inside. Inside is square root, right? 3 is inside. And still times 3, right? Times 3 inside. This is horizontal. But horizontal, do you remember? Horizontal times all the time. Inside horizontal is reciprocal or opposite. Multiplying, then reciprocal. Times 3, then by 1/3. Reciprocal. Times 3, reciprocal is 3 over 1, so 1 over 3. Everybody got it? Okay, so that means 1/3 horizontally shrink. And there, making this one 0, when you find we can find vertex here. Vertex inside of square root 0, x equals 0, x equals 1. Then 1, 0, right? That means from the 0, 0, you move 1 unit to the right, right? So still inside you say -1, then opposite, which is +1. Inside +1 means horizontally 1 unit right, 1 right. Everybody got it? Okay, just one more. Anything outside? I see outside minus right there, right? So outside minus means y become minus y, outside the y, right? So y become next to y means y was here, minus y means you go down like that, right? So that means x-axis reflection. Everybody got it? And here, inside I see negative sign. Inside x negative means x become negative x, right? X become negative x means x become negative x, y-x reflection. That's y-axis reflection. And here, +1, this is outside, right? Still outside, +1. Outside means y. So +1 means vertically 1 up. Okay? So 1 up. So final, last one. So you will see this one like this on the test. Okay, we'll have a quiz on this. Okay? So same thing, we follow. First, maybe let's find the vertex first. First test all the time, inside of square root, making 0, -3x plus 6 equals 0, which is -3x plus 6, move the other side, -6 divided by -3, x equals 2, right? If we put 2 there, that'll become everything 0, plus 1 y value 2, 1, it will be vertex on this. Okay? And then let's find the transformation. All the time, outside, inside. First, outside, I see negative side first, right? Outside, negative means y. Y become negative y. X-axis reflection. Okay, and still outside. Time, you see time 2 there, right? So outside times 2. Outside means what? X or Y? Y, right? Vertical. Y means vertical. Vertical and times 2 by 2, right? And then by 2 means become bigger. Bigger than 1, bigger, right? Times bigger than 1, bigger. Smaller than 1, smaller, right? So bigger, we call it stretch. Okay? Stretch. And then minus 3 is inside, right? So first minus, then inside minus means x become minus x, right? So y-axis reflection. But here one more, inside I see times 3, which is 3x means 3 times x, right? So times 3. So inside times 3 is horizontal, right? Horizontal, and all term x reciprocal times reciprocal plus minus opposite. So by 1/3. Okay? Then become 1/3 horizontally shrink. Horizontal shrink by 1/3. Okay? And we did vertex now. Translation, you can do that with the vertex. 2 means 2 to the right. Okay? 2 right and 1 up. This is horizontal, this is vertical. So 1 up. Everybody got it? Okay, so